Hello everyone, welcome Aya Home Design, thanks for joining. Today's episode we will now hear 10 biggest kitchen trends for 2023, so let's start today's episode. Number 1. Painted islands. The all-white kitchen may be out, but what about homeowners who want to update their existing space without a gut job? One of the best ways to inject color into the kitchen is to paint the island base. It instantly activates a sterile-looking space and doesn't require construction. Number 2. Mixed metals. We're going to see a lot more blending of different finishes in the kitchen: brass, bronze, stainless, nickel, and more. By mixing finishes, you get a visually rich, incredibly inviting look. Number 3. Creative cabinetry. For me, one of the keys to great design is when a client and a designer have the trust to take a risk together and choose a kitchen cabinet color or pattern tile that is bold and unexpected. I believe in 2023, we are going to see even more bold cabinet color choices, mixed with other interesting and unique finishes. Number 4. Butcher block islands. A butcher block island is not only stylish, but incredibly functional and durable. We love using walnut as the primary material for a butcher block island, as it really warms the space. For added functionality, use a butcher block island that has a mini fridge for extra storage space and plenty of cabinets where you can keep larger appliances hidden. Number 5. Lower kitchen drawers. Kitchens with loads of lower drawers, instead of cabinets, are on the rise. Drawers glide out easily and can store so much. Bending down, getting on your knees and holding a flashlight is no longer a necessity. Plus, extra large cabinet hardware is the icing on the cake in any kitchen. Don't skimp or skip on this must-have. Number 6. Brights mixed with woods. There will be more unexpected hues for cabinetry. We have seen a lot of saturated, bright colors in 2022, and I believe we will still see color but lighter and chalkier shades, and definitely mixed with woods. Number 7. Marble slab backsplashes. Subway tile backsplashes are starting to look dated, and we are seeing a big shift toward marble slab backsplashes, which add drama and depth to the kitchen. Not only is it easier to clean than tile, a marble backsplash and countertop sets the tone for the entire space and makes a big statement. Number 8. Wood cabinetry. Keep it current by mixing wood and painted cabinets, and embrace natural wood grain and tone rather than selecting glossy varnish and heavy stain. I love an island in wood with the perimeter cabinetry painted, or a wooden hutch-style upper cabinet that rests on the counters. Number 9. Blue and green kitchens. Shades of blues with more green undertones are a refreshing change. It immediately creates a wow factor, adds interest and provides contrast. Deep hues always give a classic feel that never feels overly trendy. Number 10. Butler's pantries. A trend I love is concealing a butler's pantry that is an entire room of its own. One hidden behind custom cabinetry with a surprise entrance is especially fun when you have a large family or host large gatherings. Children as well as adults delight in its hidden treasures. Today's episode so far, please like, comment and subscribe, and Aya Home Design always by your side to decorate your home and make any changes.